Indian National Congress was founded on December 28 in 1885 by Allen Octavian Hume at Gokuldas Teshpal College in Bombay. Octavian Hume was first General Secretary of Congress Party. The name Indian National Congress was given by Dadabhai Naoroji. The first session was held in 1885 at Bombay and the president was Umesh Chandra Banerjee.
Partition of Bengal. The first partition of Bengal was territorial redesign of the Bengal presidency executed by the British Raj authorities in 1905. The partition separated the mostly Muslim eastern from the generally Hindu western regions on 16 October 1995 after being declared on 20 July 1905 by Lord Curzon, then the Viceroy of India. Partition of Bengal was carried out by the Lord Curzon, the British Viceroy of India. It began a change in the National Indian Congress from a middle class group into a mass movement nationwide. Thank you.
Hi, I'm S. Harni from class 7. Today, my topic is the partition of Bengal in history. The first partition of Bengal was announced on 19 July 1905 by Lord Curzon. Partition of Bengal was strongly opposed by strong Indian nationalists. It began a transformation by the Indian National Congress from the middle class pressure group into the nationwide mass movement. It was implemented on 16 October 1905. It was undone a mere 6 years later. Thank you.
About Lord Curzon and map.
It was the splitting of the INC into two groups, the extremists and the moderates, in the Surat session of 1907. So in the Surat session of 1907, two main objectives were placed by the extremists. Those were the demand for the resolution of Swaraj and Lala Lajpat Rai to be made the president of INC. But these two demands were not acceptable to the moderates. Instead of Lala Lajpat Rai, they supported the idea of Raj Behari Bose. So when Raj Behari Bose was announced as the president of INC, the extremists resorted to violence. Hence, the Surat split happened. This was considered as a victory to the British policy of divide and rule. And after a long time, the British believed that they were in control of affairs of the moderates over the INC. Thank you.
The All India Muslim League was a political party established in 13 December 1906 in British India. On 13 December 1906, Muslim League was formed under the leadership of Aga Khan, the Nawab of Dhaka and Nawab Muhsin ul Mulk. All India Muslim League succeeded by Muslim League in Pakistan, Awami League in Bangladesh, Indian Union Muslim League in India. Objectives of All India Muslim League: to promote a sense of loyalty to the British government among the Muslims, to cultivate better understanding between Muslims and other communities.
Delhi was officially announced as the capital of British Raj by then Emperor George B. On December 12, 1911, the capital shifted from Calcutta to as Delhi was the financial political seat of many earlier empires and was located closer to geographical center of India. The rising nationalist movement in Calcutta also responsible for the shift.
The Delhi Conspiracy case, also known as the Delhi Lahore Conspiracy, refers to a conspiracy in 1912 to assassinate the Viceroy of India, Lord Hardinge, on the occasion of transferring the capital of British India from Calcutta to Delhi, hatched by the Indian Revolutionary Underground in Bengal and Punjab and headed by Raj Behari Bose. The conspiracy culminated in the attempted assassination on 23rd December 1912 when a homemade bomb was thrown into the Viceroy. The investigations in the aftermath of the assassination attempt led to the Delhi conspiracy trial. The conspiracy charge was finally dropped in February 1933 as untenable and the fact that there was not enough evidence to take it any further.
Mahatma Gandhi had left India for South Africa in April 1893 when he was 23 years old. He had accepted a work contract which he thought would last for a year. Gandhi ended up living in South Africa for 21 years. South Africa was also a part of British Empire. All through a layer, Gandhiji faced racial discrimination in South Africa. Thank you.
The Kheda movement occurs in Gujarat 22nd March to 5th June 1918. Gandhiji was the spiritual head of this movement. The Bombay Presidency increased the taxes on 1917 to 18 by 23%. The Kheda movement was the third major movement of Gandhiji inside India after Champaran movement and Ahmedabad mill strike. It was again an experiment quite like that of his Champaran, that on non-violence. Thank you.
The Champaran Satyagraha of 1917 was the first Satyagraha movement led by Gandhiji in India and is considered a historically important revolt in the Indian independence movement. It was farmers' uprising that took place in Champaran district of Bihar, India during the British colonial period. The farmers were protesting against having to grow indigo with barely any payment for it. Thank you.
The Anarchical and Revolutionary Crimes Act of 1919, popularly known as the Rowlatt Act, was Legislative Council Act which was passed by Imperial Legislative Council in New Delhi. This act was passed on 18 March 1919. Indians were outraged by the Rowlatt Act because this act gave an enormous power to repress political activities, and it allowed the imprisonment of political prisoners without trial for 2 years. Mahatma Gandhi wanted to break this act because this act was opposite to the Indian citizens. So he decided to launch a nationwide satyagraha against the proposed Rowlatt Act. Since Mahatma Gandhi wanted a non-violent civil disobedience against such unjust laws, he decided to start a nationwide satyagraha against the proposal Rowlatt Act, which was passed in 1919. Yes, his dream and hard work came true. He got a huge response throughout the country. Rallies were organized in various cities and workers went on strike in railway workshops and shops were closed down. It was a unique success and some individuals of violence took place in Delhi and Ahmedabad. Thank you.